Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 35. They who, with their eye of wisdom, come to know the distinction between the field and the knower of the field, and of the liberation from the prakriti of the being, go to the Supreme.
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्येवम् अन्तरं ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूतप्रकृतिमोक्षं च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्.
Chapter 13, Shloka 35. The doctrine of the field and the knower of the field, both playing in the Supreme, discussed in this chapter, is concluded now. In the previous shloka, it was explained that the Spirit is the illuminator, and that being the illuminator, it cannot be tainted by the qualities of the illumined. Lord Krishna declares that man's life is fulfilled only when he, in his subtle discrimination, meditates upon and realizes the constitution, behavior, and relationship among the field, the knower of the field, and the Supreme Self in himself. This can be done only with a well integrated instrument, a combination of a full developed head and heart, which alone can apprehend the invisible, imperishable one. The faculty which comes to experience is the eye of wisdom or intuition. This is the knowledge absolute, who can realize and perceive the nature of the field, the knower of the field, and the Supreme, and then come to experience the non-existence of the field, that is Prakriti, and therefore the knower of the field, that is ego. The field is the material cause which has no existence apart from mere imaginations. Non-apprehension of reality gives me the misapprehensions of it. To realize the non-existence of the very material cause is to live the infinite nature of the Supreme Self in ourselves as ourselves. To wake up from our dream is to end all the sorrows that we might have suffered in the dream state of consciousness. To rediscover pure awareness and to realize that it is the self which, dressed up in the field, becomes the agitated knower of the field, is to know all that is to be known. Learn more in the next chapter 14, the gunas, the three moods, in the next video. Om Tat Sat. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world, Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.